Welcome back. Controversial CD producer Calvert Gonsalves finally got the interim bail. His anticipatory bail plea will now be heard on 4th January. Locals have threatened to paralyze Kolwa if Calvert is not arrested on 4th. Agitated crowd is anticipating that Calvert will be denied anticipatory bail. They held a meeting at Kolwa on Thursday.
Hearing for Calvert anticipatory bail is scheduled for 4th January. Calvert is currently granted an interim bail. Kolwa residents held a meeting in Kolwa on Thursday. A reporter Ramesh Naik Raut told us about this development.
आणि लोक आपल्याला कोलवा या इकडचे एकट्यान झाले आणि थंय त्यांनी अशें डिसिजन घेतलें की आम्ही 4 तारखेर म्हळ्यार हे पळयतले आणि 4 तारखेर हेची जर डिसिजन काय लागना आख्खे कोलवा आम्ही बंद करतले आणि कोलवा एक पुलीस एक MLA एक मिनिस्टर एक CM सुद्धा येवपा आम्ही दिवपा ना म्हणटा असं डिसिजन तांणी घेतला.
Calvert's advocate Mildred Mendonça told us on the hearing of Calvert's anticipatory bail.
They filed a bail application yesterday. Today, the public prosecutor sought time, and the law will take its course. What is interim bail? Matter 4 तारखेर सकाळी, and it will be heard that day. The public prosecutor took time because he wants to file additional sections on it.
That's why he take an interim.
That is why the judge has granted interim bail.
People will now have to wait and watch the verdict on Calvert's anticipatory bail plea. A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
The jail authorities at Sada sub-jail have finally woken up. After Prudent exposed the visuals of empty liquor bottles piled up in the jail compound, the empty bottles have been cleared within 48 hours. But whether the filled bottles are still being smuggled in the jail is still a mystery. Nobody is bothered even to conduct an inquiry into this liquor smuggling.
The hidden liquor bottles behind the bushes, bottles on heap of garbage and at other places in the premises of Sada sub-jail were cleared. Prudent on 29th of December had highlighted this issue. Within 48 hours, this issue was solved. But liquor garbage was not the issue. Main issue was how come the liquor bottle, cigarette packets and gutka packets are allowed in the jail premises. But jail authorities are still mum on this issue. A reporter from Sada, Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent Media.
There is a common factor with the USA and Goa. Gets you thinking? Well, Hawaii and the US and Goa are similar holiday destinations. The sun, sand and delicious food. The music too is soul-soothing and relaxing. Cidade Goa Resort organized Aloha Hawaii, an evening themed on Majestic Place.
Cidade Goa organized a memorable evening themed in Hawaiian style. Anything from grilled lobster and tiger prawns, murg peshwari kebabs, kingfish steaks to marinated paneer skewers and many more. Such divine delicacies were on the vast buffet table, with the food, music too reminded people of being in Hawaii. People were seen eating, drinking and dancing. Foreign tourists too admitted they had a fantastic time.
How do you like the food?
Excellent, very innovative and a great presentation. And I personally think that the selection and the mix is a great, there's tremendous homogeneity in this.
We enjoyed it a lot. I mean, we like the local attractions, we like the food a lot. So I think it's a very nice preparation for the evening.
After all, this is the speciality of Goa, the chilled out, relaxing party atmosphere. A reporter from Siddharth Nikhil Pereira for Prudent Media.
Arvind Bhatikar has bid adieu to Prudent as its executive chairman. He served Prudent to make it a 24-hour channel from a DVD capsule in last 2 years. His special programs like Zayat Zager, Straight Fight and the assembly review called Kodelanso Hututu had become very popular. He has promised to come back with his programs after a brief break. Here are some of the clips of the farewell ceremony.
We at Prudent Media bid a farewell to our chairman Arvind Bhatikar, chairman of Fomento Group of Companies Avadut Timlo, managing director of Siddharth Goa Anchu Timlo graced the function. Timlo has requested Bhatikar to continue his contribution towards society through Prudent.
This is a window to Goa, and through this media you can continue to fulfill your dedication to see that Goa will, this platform can be used to contribute to Goa in some manner or the other. Finally Goa will be a better place or will not worsen so quickly. आता प्रत्येक दीस दिसता गोंय खंय पावतलें कितें जातलें, गार्बेज खंय पावल्या, पॉलिटिक्स लेवल खंय पावता, हें असले चॅनल वापरून we have to ensure that this degradation in the society is prevented and indeed we start improving.
Anju Timlo said that it is necessary to work in an organization with total discipline and dedication.
Because I feel that without discipline, without system and having the care, I don't believe much is achieved by just the head. The heart has to be in it. That's what creates the passion, and this business being all about creativity.
Before leaving, Bhatikar has asked his staff to maintain Prudent's #1 position.
आणि जशें आमी गोंयांत नांव मेळयलां आनी बाकीचे चॅनलां परस हे चॅनल बरे ऑन द टॉप अशें म्हणून आसा, तशेंचे उरचे अशें म्हणून तुमी सगळ्यांनी काम करूंक जाय अंडर हर लिडरशीप, आनी तुमी तें करतले अशी आमकां सगळ्यांक आशा आसा.
All the faces at the ceremony had only one thing to say, that we are going to miss him. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.